0 React, 0 JavaScript bundles, one single binary that compiles in seconds and deploys anywhere. The average single-page application ships 600 kilobytes of JavaScript before your business logic executes. And that's before hydration, before state management, before your first API call. Enter Go, Templ, and HTMX, a strongly typed single binary architecture that renders full-stack web applications with 0 client-authored JavaScript. Your Go handlers invoke Templ Components, which compile to plain Go functions returning type-safe HTML. HTMX then swaps those fragments directly into the DOM. No virtual DOM, no reconciliation, no hydration. Here, a Templ component receives a user struct and renders typed HTML. Notice the .user.name. If you rename the name field in Go, this template stops compiling instantly. Adrian Hesketh's Templ compiler renders 5.5 times faster than the standard library's HTML template while allocating 73% less memory. Benchmark data shows Templ completing in 12 milliseconds versus 66 for HTML template, allocations dropping from 8 megabytes to just 2.2. Templ parses your markup into an AST at build time, then emits pure Go source code that compiles alongside your application. 0 runtime template parsing, 0 reflection. The generated code is ordinary Go. The compiler type checks every field access, every attribute, every conditional branch. No runtime surprises. Go 1.22 introduces pattern routing, so REST endpoints live in plain Go code. No chi, no gin, no external router dependency. A single mux. Handle func with a :ID pattern captures the identifier, passes it to your handler, and the compiler verifies the root signature. 0 boilerplate, 0 reflection. When HTMX triggers a request from a button click, your handler returns a Templ fragment containing only the changed section. That partial HTML travels over the wire and swaps in place. HTMX4 weighs just 12.9 kilobytes Gzipped, smaller than most favicons, smaller than a single React icon import. Type safety runs deeper than templates. Rename a struct field and a silent production white screen bug becomes an instant Go build failure caught in your editor. Watch the compiler error surface the exact line in your template. No runtime surprise, no hydration mismatch, just a red squiggle telling you exactly what broke. The entire application compiles to a 15 megabyte static binary with Joe embed, 0 node modules, 0 build step, 0 Docker layers unless you want them. Go embed bakes your Templ templates, CSS, and static assets directly into the binary. Deploy by copying one file to any Linux server, no container runtime required. For teams wanting 0 build time tooling, Gomponents expresses components as pure Go functions. Same type safety, same single binary, no Templ compiler step. But hypermedia has architectural boundaries, complex client-side state machines, offline-first requirements, canvas-heavy visualizations, or real-time collaborative editing still demand a different approach. Choose this stack for content-driven applications, admin panels, internal dashboards, and server-rendered SaaS. Avoid it for Figma-like editors, real-time multiplayer, or mobile-first progressive web apps. The best code is the code you don't have to write or ship to the browser. If this changed how you think about front-end architecture and system design, subscribe to Cloud Codes for a new infrastructure breakdown every single week. Build, solve, deploy.